Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about heuristic problem solving. Actually, this heuristic problem solving is the way or just like a strategy to solve the math question. So this heuristic problem solving can be applied to all the topic in math. Let's learn about what heuristic problem solving is first. So these heuristic are strategies or methods. So this is not about the chapter of math, one subchapter of math. This is about the strategies or methods used to solve problems when the solution is not immediately obvious. In mathematics Olympiad problems, answers cannot always be found by directly formulas. Usually, maybe in the question maybe we can find the question like, let's say we have a topic about uh, two-dimensional shape, and there is a question like here we have a square with the length is 4. What is the area? So the area, we can find directly the area. The area is side times side equal to 16. Or yeah, let's make it like 4 times 4 equal to 16. So this is not the part of heuristic problem solving. The way to solve it is just like you have the formula and you have all the number and you find the answer directly. So the kind of heuristic problem solving is the way to solve the high level question. Let's say about the two-dimensional shapes, we have a question like a square, uh, and we have here a rectangle. Then they give us information that this rectangle has a length for 20 centimeter and the width is 5 centimeter. And another information that the area of rectangle is same with the area of square. Okay, let's see. Now we have the area of rectangle is just the same with the area of square. And the question is, what is side of square? This kind of question need the heuristic problem solving to find the answer. So let's say this is the area of square and this is the area of rectangle and this is the area of square. And they say that they have the same area. So since that the option or the information that we got is from the rectangle, we use what that we have. So area of rectangle by using the formula of the area of rectangle, length times width. Then we have the length is 20 and the width is 5. We have 100 centimeter square. Okay, because the area of rectangle is 100 centimeter square, it means the area of square is 100 centimeter square as well. So this is not the answer yet because the question is about the side or the length of the square. So here we have the area of square is 100. Sorry, we have, yeah, okay, we put it here 100. So here we put the formula of the way to find area of square. It's s times s or s squared equal to 100, s squared equal to 100, and here is the way to find the value of s is just we need to find the same number that we times it equal to 100, or we can do like this, s equal to 100, then the answer is 10 centimeter. So here is the way to find the this kind of question. So there are four kinds. Let's say this one. Okay, there are five strategies. Five strategies to use this heuristic problem solving. The first one is making a table, drawing a diagram, trying simple cases, working backwards, or finding a patterns. And we will learn about how to apply this one into the question first. Now we have the first strategy is by making the table or list. Let's see this kind of question. Okay, making a table. Making a table. In a class, there are 12 students. Each student can pair up only once to play. How many different pairs can be formed? So one student, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 students here. So if they pair up, they only wants to play, just like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10 and 11 and 12. So this is actually needs another combination, just like what if they one pair with 3, one pair with 4, one pair with 5. It can be done. So we need to find another strategy to solve this one, because they ask for how many possibilities of different pairs can be formed. So let's make a table by using let's solve this question by using the table. We start from the student and pairs. Let's say we have two students here, two students A and B. Okay, two students A and B. So we can only form one pairs. One pair. It is AB. Next we have, what if we have three students? A, B, C. It means we can form AB, AC, or BC. Three pairs. What if we have four? A, B, C, D. It means we can form AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, or CD. So here we have six pairs. Now, what if they have here the case we have 12 students? We have 12 students. So if we make a list until 12 students, it will take a time. So let's look the pattern of this table. From the table we have students. Okay, let's erase this one first. Now from the table we have that if there are two students, we have one pair. If there are three students, we have three pairs. If there are four students, there will be six pairs. Let's say this is students and this is pairs. This is pairs. So it means 2 and 1, 3 and 3, 4 and 6. From here, we can suggest the formula. As you can see here, the formula is n times n minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, let's open this one. N times n minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, how do we get this one? Because we can see from the first statement that we have, if there are two students, there will be one pairs. So you just try to find the connection between 2 and 1, 3 and 3, 4 and 6. Let's say the n is the representation of how many students. So if we apply this one, 2 times 2 minus 1 divided by 2, you will have that 2, 2 minus 1 equal to 1 times 2. So if you have two students, you only have one pairs. Let's try to guess if you have four students. Four students. It means n equal to 4. So we have here 4 times 4 minus 1 divided by 2. So you will have here 4 times 3 divided by 2. You can eliminate this one, come to 6 pairs. 4 students, 6 pairs. So what the question is, what if they have 12 students? It means we just need to make it 12 as n. Okay? 12. The formula is n times n minus 1 divided by 2. So 12 times 12 minus 1 divided by 2. We have 12 times 11 over 2. You can eliminate this one, becomes 6. Then you will have 66 pairs. It's much easier to find the number of pairs more than using the manual way. You just find the pairs like AB, AC, or so on and so on. So here's the way to apply heuristic problem solving into the question. Now let's move to another question. Okay, here, drawing a diagram. So actually, we can drawing a diagram here, but sometimes, maybe because the point of this question is to find the answer. So it's just like you can change the diagram. It can be modified later. A frog is one on stone number 1. A frog is on stone number 1. The frog can jump either one step or two steps forward. There are 5 stones in a row. How many ways can the frog reach stone number 5? So let's say we have 5 stones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will make it as number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the next information, a frog is on stone number one. So to solve this kind of question, we need the first things that we need to make is make the model. To make the model will help you to find what is the question about and how to use the information that you got from the question. Sometimes the information is not directly clear and they say to you the clear information. Sometimes they will say that like this: a frog is on stone number one. Yeah, so we make the frog here. Let's say this is the frog can jump either one step or two steps. One step, two step. It means this frog can be go to number two or can be go to number three directly. There are five stones in a row. How many ways can frog reach the stone number five? So the question is how many ways that this frog can reach this stone number five. So let's try to find the possible paths. Number one goes to two, go three, four, and five with one step only. So we have one, two, three, four, five. Now, after that, we combine with two steps. Since the information said to us that this frog actually can move two steps directly forward. So, let's say we use one step first. One, three, and directly two steps. Five. One, three, five. Next, we find another possibilities by using two steps first. One goes to three and four and five. So one, four, and five. So what if the frog can jump directly two steps? One to three and three to five. One, three, five. Okay, we have one, three, five. Oh, we have here one, three, five already. One, three, five. So this one before, one to three to four to five. One to three to four to five. Next year, one, two to three, and directly goes to five here. Okay, one, two, three, and directly goes to five. Okay. One, two, three, five. One, two, one, three, four, five. Then one goes to two. Then directly move two stones, goes to four, and one step goes to five. Okay. Now we have five possible paths here. Okay, five possible paths. So the answer is there are five ways. So actually maybe this one it looks different because we have drawn the diagram or the model here. So try to use the model. Try to use the model when you got confused on the question. So this is the second strategy, how to apply the heuristic problem solving. Now we go to the next question. It's about patterns. We try to make the patterns of the question by using information from the question. Let's see how many three-digit numbers from 100 until 999 have all digits odd. So this question a little bit hard to understand. How many three-digit numbers from 999 have all digits odd? So we need to find the combination of three numbers because this is three-digit numbers from 100 until 999 that has that all the number inside these three digit numbers is all are all odd numbers. We know before odd numbers contains 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So the combination may be 135, 137, 179. So we need to find how many all digits numbers. So it must be very hard to find all this number directly to determine what is the number. So the point of this question is to find how many only, not what is the number. If they ask us to find what is the number, we need to list from 135, 137, 170, 107. 135, 137, 179. Remember, this kind of question allow us to use two numbers in once, just like two same number in once, just like 100, 113, 117. Since this is this all these numbers is odd, that's why we need to make the patterns of how to find the answer of this question. So let's say, okay, so from let's make a range from 100 until 999. For 100 place, we will have 100, 300, 500, 700, and 900. In 10 place, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 as well. Because we need to find all three digit numbers that consist odd numbers all. So in ones, we will have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 as well. So let's start from number 1. We connect to tens and we connect to ones. So this one will form one number, 111. Okay, this is one option. Next, we connect this one with 3. We connect this one first. We start from the smallest number, 111, then we go 113, 115, 117, 119. So for 100s and 110s, we have 5 combinations. For 110s, we have 5 options. It is 113, 115, 117, 117, and 119. It means for the second tens, we will have 5 combinations as well. 5 options. And for the from the third tens, 5. And for the 7, we have 5 as well, 5 options. And for 9, we have 5. So we have 25 options. For 100s, we will have 25 options. It can be 100, 111, 113, 111, 113, 115, just like what I said before. This is only for 100s, 25 options. How about the second hundreds? 3. We will have 25 options as well. This one, 25 as well. This one, 25. and this one 25. So the total option that we can from three-digit numbers which contains odd number must be 125. So this is the answer. By seeing the patterns of the question. Okay, so this heuristic problem solving not only can be applied to one chapter, it can be applied to almost all chapter. This is the strategy to solve the question so we can find the answer of the question easily. Now let's see this question. An elevator can only carry two people at a time. There are four people on the ground floor who want to reach the second floor. What is the minimum number of trips the elevator must make? So this elevator can only carry two people at a time. So let's say this is the elevator and this is the second floor. Okay, so there are four people here. And so what is the minimum number of trips the elevator must make? We cannot directly say two and two because yeah, this is the tricky question. They force us to think that because these four people on the ground and this elevator can carry two people, it means the elevator can only needs two times two trip take to carry this force people, but this is not the way to solve it. If you think again, the first trip they will take, let's say A, B, C, D. A and B will go to the second floor. And when the elevator reach this place, it needs one person to take this elevator to bring this elevator to down first, down again, and bring one more person. That's because this elevator cannot work by itself. So it means one person will in the second trip A will go down, and in the third trip A will bring one more person, let's say C. In the fourth, let's say A go down again. In the fifth, A will bring D to the second floor. So we have total five trip. Five trip to take to carry these four people go to the second floor. So it's not just like you bring the elevator bring carries two people to the second floor and another two go directly. This is kind of tricky question because they don't explain to us that this elevator cannot work by itself. But actually, as long as we know that elevator cannot work by itself, it needs one person to operate this elevator. It means one person must get inside and go down. So this is the way how to apply the heuristic problem solving into the question. Okay, I think that is all for our lesson today. Thank you.